Introducing the 2021 Mazda CX-30. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This sleek CX-30 delivers sophisticated attention to detail and excellence of design. From its well-appointed, quiet cabin to its smooth ride and responsive handling, this SUV is an outstanding value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, rain sensing wipers, leather steering wheel. Get the design quality you deserve in this premium feeling CX-30. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.